Good morning. My name is Giovanni Jerez. I am going to explain the synoptic table of Unity 2, Step 3, identify the value of technology. Visual presentation. Market focus method. um, Causes. Market ignored. uh, Ignorance of the characteristics of the product and trained staff. uh, Consequence, timely information of the process, higher product by mode, and laws in the product of company. Recommends for difficult. All company must be more informed of the have trained personnel to warrant that trade technology innovation are decimate of and can generate economic profit and to help our secret. And second, it is an important that Colombian companies are had in with society and with the help of our governmental they can take for with for forward in, in technology information of the course with the support of experts in the fields to have better results. Uh, Thank you.